Are you someone who's way too anxious just before a job interview? Are you someone who's dealing with a lot of stress just because you have to enter into a job interview? Then this is exactly the right video for you. A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Nishu Tripathi, a recruitment specialist and mentor. Let me give you a few tips on how you can actually deal with your stress, your anxiety just before a job interview. If you are somebody who's dealing with social anxiety disorder, which we call SAD, you may be needing medications and you may be needing help, professional help. I am wanting to make this video just to give you simple tips on if you are just simply anxious just before your next job interview. Let me start with the first tip. And the first tip is something which I follow on a daily basis just before I'm entering even for a client's meeting. And the tip is, number one, visualizing your success. Visualizing your success actually makes you get a very positive feeling inside you. When done in the right way, this actually creates a very positive impact to your brain. Visualize yourself as somebody who has just cleared the interview and you're just going to get the job offer. Do you know that this is actually a technique that athletes follow? And this is a very, very successful technique, and I vouch for that. The second most important tip that I would like to give you, job seekers, no matter how simple this may sound, reduce your stress factors, reduce the things that cause anxiety and stress to you. These could be very simple things like not having printed your resume well in time before your interview. This could be a very simple thing like not reaching well in advance for your interview. I myself would be very stressed out if I'm not able to park my car, find the right parking just before I have to enter an interview. So why do we create such stress factors? Keep your outfit ready, keep your resume ready, make sure you have everything ready and you reduce your stress factors as much as you can just before your interview. The third thing, very important, do your research. As I always say in most of my videos, do your research in detail about the company, about the job description, and if possible, also if you know about the interviewers. Doing your research and preparing the top 10 questions very well in advance will always help you not only remain very positive, but also very confident. The fourth thing, keep yourself away from people who are negative, from situations who are negative. ये कंपनी अच्छी नहीं है, ये जॉब अच्छी नहीं है, ये इंटरव्यूअर अच्छा नहीं है. You don't need to hear all of these things. You only want to hear positive things. And keep yourself away from negative factors and negative people who are trying to demotivate you and make you more stressed. The next thing, don't succumb to some pressure of the interviewer. Many a times the interviewer is actually trying to put you under pressure just to see how exactly can you handle pressure during your interview process. How exactly will you be a right fit to the organization if you cannot even handle pressure during an interview. So just make sure you're calm, you're relaxed, you're trying to answer the questions in your best possible way with a smile on your face. The last thing that I would say as an important tip, try to remove and release your anxious energy. Make sure you're not fidgeting too much, hands shivering, legs shaking. These are all anxious signs and clues which also could make your interview go for a toss. So make sure you're actually calm, relaxed. If you follow the first 3-4 points that I've told you, you will see that your anxiety reduces to a great extent. This is Nishu Tripathi once again. I'm a recruitment specialist and mentor. If you liked my video and you like the tips that I mentioned to you, please give me a thumbs up. Keep subscribing to my channel and keep following my tips. And I will keep seeing you again around. Bye-bye.